How to buy jailstool token on LBANK. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on LBANK, if you don't have an account on LBANK, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on LBANK and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on LBANK and fund it with some USDT, go and search for that token, copy it from here. As you can see, now go on your account on LBANK, click here on search, paste that token here. As you can see, we'll be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just click on buy here and select the limit, or the market is the same. Now after you select the limit, just here type how much you want to buy of that token. Here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you select the market, drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So after you set the percentage of that USDT, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy a jailstool token on LBANK. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.